What up guys, and welcome back to the channel. You already know who it is, it's Ronton from Wrench-a-holics, and today we're back in the lab. And based on the thumbnail, you guys probably already know what we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a quick little review on the Club Straight Hate floor mats that I just installed probably a couple weeks ago. You guys have been hitting me up on DMs just to figure out if the mats are really good as far as quality wise, and I decided just to go ahead and do a review on it, as I was also having some doubts on these universal non-car specific floor mats in regards to quality and all that fitment. But anyways, we're gonna be doing a quick one, short and sweet. Let's get to it. What do we have here? What do we have here? Not today. We got a bunch of stuff to do. If you guys want to know what happened, you go ahead and watch my last week's weekly vlog so you guys can keep updated with what I'm doing. But we got some problems going on right now. We're gonna go ahead and jam that out as far as fixing it, and also, yeah, alright guys, anyways, back to what we're doing. So for today, we're going to be doing the review on the Club Straight Hate floor mats. As you can see, these are the Boma floor mats in black. They do have two colorways, one in pink, one in black. I decided to go with the black only because, you know, your shoes get dirty, so, you know, keep your car clean. And also the carpet. So I know it's kind of dark in here, you probably can't tell, but I do have the later model carpet. It's not that shag fuzzy stuff. This actually came from a donor car, if you know the history of my 240, and it was actually some carpet that's in really good condition. So I decided that I want to keep it in good condition, so in order to do that, the best way is get some floor mats. Let me show you what my OE ones look like, as those ones are pretty much beat to hell. And then that's the reason why floor mats is a good investment if you guys are planning on keeping that clean interior look. Ain't no better way to ruin a clean interior when you got some jacked up carpet. So let me take these out and then show you what's up. Alright, so just to cover the Club Straight Hate floor mat specifically first. Pretty good quality. It's thin, but it's good. I've been driving on it for about 2 weeks now, and they're still good, but who knows, but still good. Quality wise, again, it's thin, not as thick as most, you know, well made. I mean, from what it's looked like and from what I've put it through so far, it's been holding up. But let me show you why floor mats are a good investment. So these are my OE floor mats, passenger side, as you can see. Just by the shape. Unfortunately, I can't find my driver's side, but you can just imagine. So this is my passenger side, and as you can see, we've got some spots already. These used to not be there, but over the years, I've had this floor mat, which is, I'm going on about 10 years now. It starts to pick up dirt and grime and stains. So imagine not having a floor mat, and if you wanted, and if you're the type of guy that wants a clean interior, that would just straight up piss me off if that was on the carpet. So floor mats, a very good investment. Obviously OE is going to have the best fit because it's meant for it, but it is what it is. I know these floor mats are getting hard to find, but you can get some aftermarket ones that'll do just fine. But you know, I didn't want to get black plain Jane. I'm over it. Again, I've had these mats for almost well over 10 years now, and I'm just over it. So we went with something more flashy. I know, you know, but a nice little design won't do, you know, won't hurt me, even though I like subtle, but oh well, it'll do good. But anyways, pros, again, universal floor mat, really made, quality's pretty good. Along the edges here, really stitched well, so I know it's gonna handle what I'm gonna throw it at. But let's just go over the cons, since this is my little review. Gotta go over the good, and then I also gotta go over the bad. Probably there's only two that I gotta say, is that the back. So the back is like, it has some type of friction material that doesn't allow it to slide, but it does slide. While I was driving, I noticed that it would always migrate forward. Again, that's probably a drawback, only because the universal mat doesn't have the like little spikes that come out. So as you can see, I mean, it does have some type of friction pad. It's supposed to stop it from migrating, but it does, unfortunately. And on the OE one, if I were to flip it over, you can tell, see, so it's got these little spikes here. So these spikes actually do justice, because they actually dig into the carpet and allow it to not move. And on top of that, not only do the spikes do its job, but on the OE mat you have the eyelet. So the eyelet is also another mounting point. It secures the mat to the, I don't want to say chassis, but to the floor. There is a little hook that you hook it onto. So the hook plus the spikes, this does not move. But unfortunately, no spike, no eyelet, this does move. So a quick remedy is I'm going to probably put an eyelet on here based on my mat in position, so that when I bust the hole in here, I'm not, you know, poking holes. So hopefully that will remedy the migration of the mat. I'm not so really concerned about the passenger because I really don't have a lot of people that ride with me. It's primarily the driver, since I'm driving obviously, and that's when I get the most shift in the mat. But other than that, if you were to weigh it, it just depends on you and your vision on what you want to do to your interior. I wanted to spice up the interior, so that's why I went with this. Again, I know it's a little cartoony, but to me, it's a lot better than just standard. Again, I've been having this well over 10 years and over it, so I decided to jazz it up with a little bit of pizzazz, if you whatever you want to call it. But the Club Street Hate mats are really good. I like them. So far so well, quality made as far as the image. Again, this one comes in two colorways, pink, black. If you want to hide the dirt and grime, I suggest going with a darker tone, because the pink one, damn, as soon as you hit that with some dirt, you can just see it. But anyways, that is it, guys. That is the short, quick review on the Club Street Hate floor mats. I'll leave a link in the descriptions below if you guys are interested in buying the mats. I would imagine that this review would cover, if not all, of the other small businesses out there who do make universal non-car specific floor mats. They're pretty much going to be the same. The shape, from what I've seen, is the same. Fitment on the coupe, the passenger side is good. The driver side, a little bit of this like flange area here sort of hits the dead pedal area, but that's something that I'm not too concerned about. But in regards to other floor mats and other universal floor mats, I would imagine that this review would be about the same, since they look about the same as far as quality goes. But there you guys have it, short and sweet. Yeah, so tired of looking at that. That's okay with me for now. But that's it, because now on to this. But anyway, guys, that's for another video. This is done, so there you guys have it. That is the Club Street Hate floor mat review. Alright guys, there you guys have it. As promised, short and sweet. Club Street Hate floor mats. If you guys want one, I'll leave a link in the descriptions below. Go ahead and cop that. Go ahead and you know, support small businesses, because they are a small business, but they do pretty good stuff. But yeah, so there you guys have it. And don't forget, if you guys watched my last week's weekly vlog, I did announce that I have merch coming. I just got the air fresheners in. Let me go grab those. Alright, so there you guys have it. If you guys watched the video, my last weekly vlog, I did announce I came out with some merch. So we finally just got them in. These are the GarageLEVELUP black ice air fresheners. They're on the website right now, GarageLEVELUP.BigCartel.com. So go ahead and cop, support your boy. Here you guys have it. That's basically the front of it, and that's the back of it. It is a mirrored image, but this is the correct way to see it, as the text is written in the correct order. But it is mirrored image, so it doesn't matter which way you look at it. But if you want to cop some merch, black ice, there you guys have it. This is, again, the GarageLEVELUP air freshener, available on the website, GarageLEVELUP.BigCartel.com. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, it's GarageLEVELUP on Instagram. Go ahead and follow that, as that is the primary source of information about new merch, new drops, and whatever it may be when it comes to the business. If you guys aren't following me on my personal Instagram, it's at nightowls.us. That's pretty much just me, my car, and some other shenanigans that I'm up to. But anyways, guys, merch available. Go ahead and cop and support your boy. Alright guys, that is it. That is the air fresheners, available now. Go ahead and cop, support your boy. And from the day ones out there, you guys already know what time it is. Hype is for the moment, and style is forever. Deuces.